questing Destiny, I guess. Today I got my rewards. Show you up close. Beautiful plant. Plants, I should say. Shakira is already loving it. Gotta check if this is poisonous or something. But it's growing upwards. Yeah, Shakira. Yeah, no. Yeah, sometimes when I do like a quest, the Destiny is just like handing me over a reward afterwards. Like most of the time I don't even know what the quest is, but I figure it out on the way. So the quest was, it looks like upload this video and make not only the video but also the scripts for my Obsidian base, which is just Minecraft. At this point, the world is a sandbox, never forget that. So now we're also classifying those plants. Let's quickly take some pictures. It's actually kind of cold right now. Love it. I'm born in the winter. PNG or JPEG, doesn't matter. Please try to reduce the file size to maximum of 1 megabyte to look exactly like the last link. Nice. So now we got the species linked, directly accessible through Obsidian. Holy shit. Okay, great, but please reverse the order so... Yes, it works now. Notes get overwritten when we have duplicates, and we got some. So this took way longer than I like to admit. But so it's like 7:40 in the morning. Good morning. Let's start the day. Another thing that I found yesterday was, I think sound would get a lot better when I use this microphone, so I still need to get an interface somewhere. So actually I just found a really nice flea market on my way to the audio shop. I also went piss somewhere in a building, I know, which the view is quite nice. This is something I really enjoy about Vienna, that you can just have a beautiful skyline all day long. This other place is one that has a big spot in my heart. I come here to get inspired and test things, recharge, you know. So I was also testing out the phone mode and started imagining again my interface technology that I will develop at some point. You know, hands are there to process information in the mental, not only in the virtual. So I'm gonna go crazy on this one. Hand tracking is one of the most important tools for me, at least in the future, I guess. So finally we got to the beautiful gasometer, got to the audio store, and finally we got the XLR to USB-C at home. So a thing to note is that the hand tracking works best without a glove. So let's get rid of these to use it properly. Today we kind of finished this classifier plus format quest. We will probably have to work on the script at some point again. What we are currently using is MediaPipe frameworks by Google and YOLO on Touch Designer, and I wanted to get a script that cuts all the video where no audio is to make the workflow faster and easier. And I also want to build a script that cuts a video only if there is any object detected. I want both of those scripts will come in really handy, and this is something I want for my phone at some point, as my phone is responsible for processing the data of my camera because it's not strong enough on its own to do object detection and whatever. I want a MediaPipe, probably because this is easier to handle on mobile than YOLO, which is an algorithm, by the way. Yeah, so I want a media pipe detection software of the stream of my camera on my phone, and if there is an object, I wanna classify it using my other script, which should also be on my phone. I hope this works. An extra thing we could add here is to use the detect hands feature to, for example, if there is something detected, a plant for example, or a human, I can use a hand gesture to search for the species, for example, or do like a, I don't know, social engineering wise, reverse image search of humans or other possibilities here. This hand detect feature, I've seen a repro where they used hand detection to program a MIDI keyboard that uses hand detection, and with that technology we can also use different gestures, I guess. Also this music protocol would be coming really handy here. Everything connects to Obsidian still. This is linked to this GitHub, which hosts over Vercel. So you see my current state here. Yes, where Fuchs was found. So yeah, that's kind of it for today. See you around.